have to trim. Might have to trim some off. Maybe.
What are we doing here?
I have a 2017 F-250 that is coming with the check engine light on, and it's got P0420, 430 codes, and I believe somebody has cut the cats off of this thing in its life because the tubes are all like welded up. I'm pretty sure these are aftermarket cats. Let me know, you use it or watching this, if you know if these are OEM or aftermarket. But anyhow, the OEM cats from Ford are like almost $7,000 Canadian, which is insane, but whatever. So we're gonna do some aftermarket ones, and I'm just cutting them up right now just to like get them, see how good they can fit. We got pretty close here. Might have to do a little bit of buffing and trimming. Obviously this needs to rotate because we can't have it running against the drive shaft, but you get the idea. Can't decide if this is better this way or the other way. Put in a couple tack welds so it can't move, and then we'll go ahead and lay some weld. One down, one to go. Time will tell. Good old muffler cement for the win. All right, we got some of that muffler cement on there. I just put that on there because I want to make sure that there is no pinholes whatsoever for any air to get in. And yeah, we're going to do the other side now.